Hey everyone! Are you tired to clean burnt pots or pans? Today we're tackling a kitchen nightmare: burnt pots and pans. If you've ever felt the frustration of scrubbing away at stubborn stains, you're in for a treat. I've got a simple and effective hack that will make cleaning a breeze. Look at this mess! But don't worry, we're going to transform this pot with just a few ingredients you probably already have at home. All you need is 2 tablespoons of instant yeast, 1 tablespoon of dishwashing liquid, 1 tablespoon of vinegar, and half a cup of hot water. Easy, right? But why yeast? Well, yeast is a natural cleaning agent that helps break down grime and grease. Plus, it's non-toxic and safe for your cookware. Let's mix it up. In a bowl, combine the yeast, dishwashing liquid, and vinegar. Then, pour in the hot water and give it a good stir. You'll see it start to bubble. This is the magic happening. Now, we need to let this sit for about 10 minutes under vacuum conditions to activate the yeast. If you don't have a vacuum sealer, just cover it tightly with plastic wrap. Trust me, this step is key. 10 minutes later, let's check it out. Look at that. Now, it's time to apply it to our burnt areas. Just slather it on, let it sit for a few minutes, and watch the magic unfold. The yeast works its magic, breaking down the tough stains with minimal scrubbing required. It's like a spa day for your cookware. And voila! Look at this shine. No more burnt residue. But we're not done yet. This mixture is super versatile. Let's tackle this dirty sink. Just apply the same mixture, let it sit, and rinse. You'll be amazed at how easily it cuts through grime. Check this out. Sparkling clean in no time. So there you have it. A simple, effective way to clean your burnt pots, pans, and even your sink. If you found this hack helpful, don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit that notification bell for more cleaning tips. Until next time, happy cleaning.